Selamat sejahtera to our lecturer Encik Maslan. Today we are going to present about our project that is the Clotheshorse. This project is about frames and machines. Frames and machines are structures that similar to trusses except that they have at least one member that is a multi-force member. A multi-force member is an independent piece of the system that has three or more forces acting on it. Frames are designed to support loads and are generally stationary, while machines contain moving parts that transmit or alter the applied forces. This is the picture of the actual structure that we are going to use to analyze the forces that act on it. Next, this is the idealized model of the actual structure. We have added the force that is 10 Newton on the structure and also the dimension. We have drawn the free body diagram for all the members in the structure. For member DE and EF, each pin have two forces, that is vertical force and horizontal force. We assume that those forces are in tension. Therefore, we need to do the calculation to determine that whether our assumptions are correct or not. From the calculation, we notice that Ex is in compression with 2.89 Newton, while Ey is 0 Newton. Dx is 2.89 Newton in tension, while dy is 10 Newton in tension.
Next, look at FBD at member EF. For Fx equation, we will get the force is in tension, that is, Fx is equal to 2.89 Newton, while for Fy equation, we will get the force for Fy is in compression, which the value is negative 10 Newton. Look at FBD at DCB and FCA members. First, we need to do moment equation at point A and point B. At point B, consider the equation to become equation 3, while at moment point A, consider the equation to become equation 4. And then, to get the value for Cy, we need to add equation 3 and equation 4. After we get the value for Cy, which is 0 Newton, we substitute the Cy value into equation 4 and we will get the force at Cs is in tension, which the value is 13.0 Newton. Lastly, we move to Fx and Fy equation at FCA members. After we calculate for Fx equation, we get Ax value is negative 10.11 Newton, that is the force is in compression. While for the Fy equation, after we calculate, we get Ay is equal to 10 Newton and the force is in tension. And then we do the same equation at member BCD. After we do the equation for Fx and we calculate, we get the value for Bx is negative 10.11 Newton and the force is in compression. While at Fy equation, we get force at By is in tension with the value is 10 Newton. So for the discussion, we know that this structure contains 4 members and 2 systems. Each system contains 3 points, which is active force, reactive force, and support. Lastly, based from the result calculated, we know that in this structure contains compressive force and tensile force. Compressive force is point at Ex, Fy, Ax, and Bx, and for the tensile force is point at Dx, Dy, Fx, Cx, Ay, and By. That's all from us. Thank you.